To set up release conditions, we're going to go up to Activities, and this will work the same for assignments and quizzes, so we'll just pick on quizzes here, and we'll click the drop down arrow next to the particular quiz we want this release condition attached to. Edit, go over to Restrictions, and we'll scroll down just below all the dates and times, and we're going to create and attach. Alright, so the condition type is we want them to visit a particular content topic. So for this example, I want them to have visited the syllabus before this quiz will be visible to them. Okay, so we'll create, save and close. Well, before we save and close, you can see right here is the release condition that we've attached to this. So it's also going to be important that when you do these, you explain to the students they will not be able to access particular things until they do the one thing you want them to do. And the reason for this is they might go in here and look, and they might not even see that particular thing that they are supposed to get done that week, because it is hidden from them until they do that, until they engage with the syllabus. So it is important that you have that conversation with the students before you attach a bunch of release conditions, so they know that they have to complete things in order to get to the other stuff. Alright, so right here, this is a release condition icon indicating that we've attached that to this particular quiz. Okay, from a student perspective, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the release condition. I'm going to go to Activities, Quizzes, and I can see that that weekly quiz is not showing in their feed at all. Now if I go to Content, under the student account, and I click on Syllabus, see right now there's no check mark. Click on the syllabus. Even though I haven't read it, I go back. I see there's a check mark now. I go to Activities, Quizzes, and now I can see the week 1 quiz. Alright, now when you do this, I think it's going to be important that they have a clear set of directions or clear communication that this is what you're doing, because otherwise they wouldn't realize that there is a weekly quiz that they have to take. So if you do use release conditions, be implicit to the students about what you're doing and why they can't see stuff. Alright, if you have any further questions about release conditions, please contact myself or Caleb in the basement of Cowan Hall in room 110. Thank you.